I'm doing a PR unboxing today. I have seen so many creators doing this, and for me doing this with just 800 subscribers, it feels unreal. Thank you to all the brands that have shown confidence in me. So let's do it. Let's open this. Okay, I have no idea from which brand this. Look at that पैकेजिंग you guys. Oh my god, अभी तक मुझे पता नहीं है कि इसके अंदर क्या है. Let's open this. Okay, mascara from Glam 21 Cosmetics. This is a 20 color eyeshadow palette. Look at that reflection, you guys. Ooh, look at that color palette. It has got so many funky colors. You can do such creative looks with this palette. I am loving this. Look at that. Thank you Glam 21 for this. The second PR is from Eco Skin Glow. You can see. Here we have the Eco Skin Glow toner. Here we have the Eco Skin Glow anti-aging cream. This was my first PR unboxing video. Hope you like this.